This is a huge update. How to get a JSON response from your ChatGPT API consistently. Is there any easy way to do it? That's exactly what we are going to see in this video. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm really excited to show you about JSON response from ChatGPT. This is a continuation of my previous ChatGPT video. I will link that in the description below. But as a quick overview, we are importing OpenAI and creating the client. And as a chat completions, we are defining the model name as GPT 3.5 Turbo and asking a question to the large language model ChatGPT, which is who won the World Cup cricket in 2019. And finally, we are printing out the response. If you run that code, you will get a text response like this: England won the Cricket World Cup in 2019. But we want a JSON response. How to do that? Go back to your code and we are going to add something called response format. And then we are defining the type is JSON object. That's it. This one parameter will automatically give us the JSON response. But there is two more things to do as a prerequisite. First thing, we need to use the model which supports JSON response. GPT-4 Turbo is a compatible model. So I mentioned that name there. And also we need to define another role called system. And in the content, we are asking generate a JSON response. These two are the prerequisite. You need to have the JSON word in the system message. That's it. We are going to run this code. Go to your terminal and type python app.py and click enter. Now we got the response in JSON format. Event, cricket, year, winner, runner-up, format, final match details, venue, Lord's, London Cricket Ground. Yeah, that's it. As simple as that. Now you can easily integrate this with your application. I'm creating more videos in regards to ChatGPT, so stay tuned. In my channel, I'm regularly posting videos in regards to AI and also ChatGPT. Please have a look. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.